Alright, some more breaking news coming in, and this is the latest update that is in the Bollywood drugs link probe. Bharti Singh, comedian Bharti Singh and her husband have been sent to judicial custody. My colleague Sandhya Gora joins us for more. Sandhya, very interesting points first of all mentioned in the remand copy, and secondly some interesting observations coming in from court as well. Just take us through what exactly has happened in this session.
So Aarti, comedian Bharti Singh and Harsh, her husband Harsh Limbacha, both of them are sent to judicial custody till 4th of December. Both of them have applied for bail as well, and their bail plea is likely to be heard tomorrow. Now, talking about the remand points here in the case of prosecution is this, Aarti, that both of them, first of all, 86.5 gram of marijuana is recovered, is seized during the raids which were conducted at their production house office and their house. Apart from that, according to NCB, both of them have admitted to the consumption. And not just that, according to NCB, their investigation so far has revealed that Harsh allegedly was procuring drugs for himself and Bharti, and they wanted to inquire his alleged links with other drug peddlers. On these grounds, NCB sought the remand, but the court made certain observations. Before that, let me tell you about the sections, Aarti, under which the actor-writer duo is arrested. That is for consumption. That is for consumption and procurement of smaller quantities. So based on that, court said that the sections under which both the accused are booked, those sections only attract 1 year's punishment. Not just that, talking about prosecution's case, court said that prosecution's case is also of consumption only. Under these circumstances, PC, police custody, which is NCB remand, is not required. Court also commented on the quantity. Court said that the quantity which is seized from both the accused is small quantity, and investigating agencies' remand custody is not required in the case. Aarti.
Right, Sandhya, stay with us. We have some more news coming in from this case itself.